Good morning everyone. This is Dr. K. Balamurugan, Faculty of Mechanical Engineering. In today's session, we are going to learn about a line inclined to HP and VP respectively. If we look up into the point, we are showing the value as theta and pi. The theta is the angle made with respect to HP and pi is the angle that has been made with respect to VP. So always the vertical plane, the standing plane we used to call it as a vertical plane, and the surface plane that is lying on the ground we used to call it as horizontal plane. So the theta and the phi plays a crucial role over here. The angle made with respect to HP we used to call it as theta. Now I have drawn a line AB AB which is inclined with respect to HP, and the projectors a point A and the point B has been projected on the vertical plane, and the projector A and B is being marked on the horizontal plane. All the notation that is being marked on the horizontal plane should be dash free, and the notation in the vertical plane should be dash. So here we have marking an angle theta. Always, as I said earlier, the theta is the angle that created by the line with respect to the horizontal plane. So when the observer always looks from the left, like the point which we have seen in the previous video, observers looks from the right hand side of our view, and the top view always from the top of the vertical plane. So when the observer looks over from the top, its projection will be P dash A and B. When you look over in the front view, it is going to be A dash and B dash. Now the locus line has been drawn from all intersecting points like A dash, AB dash, A and B. Unfortunately, here A and B will lie on the same locus, but however we are going to name this as the locus of A. Whereas the line passes through the A dash, we are going to mark it as locus of A dash. Line passes through the B, we are going to mark it as locus of B dash. Now the pictorial representation has been made in an orthographic projection. If you look up over here, it clearly means that the incline with respect to HP, the true inclination will be visible in the front view, whereas in the top view we could be able to see in the form of a straight line, that is nothing but AB, which you could be able to see in the pictorial representation, but this is not going to be the true length, and this is going to be the apparent length. Now the line when it is inclined to BP has been drawn over here. Now if you look up into this sector, it is very clear that when a line is inclined to BP, in the front view projection we could be able to see the apparent length, whereas in the top view we could be able to see the true length. The projectors from the capital A and the capital B1 has been shown as A1 dash and B1 dash, whereas in the top view we are just showing it as A1 and B1 respectively. These are the projectors that comes from the point A1 B1 with respect to front view as well as top view. If I do in a 2D orthographic projection, the point AB has been marked over here. Point A always lies in the locus of A. The point A dash will always lies in the point of locus of A dash. From A, we are just drawing a true inclination line pi with respect to line inclined to VP, and the true length already we know A1 B1 length. To that length we have drawn. From there we are going to draw a projection line, and that we have to draw up to the locus of A, and if we join locus of A, the two intersecting point is going to be A1 dash and B1 dash, which is represented in the pictorial representation. And now if we look up over the point B1, we are drawing one more line, the locus of B. So here the theta and pi are the two angles that have been created with respect to HP and VP respectively. So from this video you could be able to understand that when a line is inclined to HP, its true length is visible in the front view. When it is inclined to VP, its true length is visible in the top view. So when a line is inclined with respect to HP, the apparent length will be visible in the top view. When it is inclined with respect to VP, its apparent length will be visible in the front view. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.